What's up, it's your girl Salasia, aka Say Say, and I'm in the mother loving building. Yeah, welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today is gonna be a wig install video. I have this beautiful kinky curly wig from Sunber hair on Amazon. So we finna install this and see what it's giving. I can say right now I absolutely love the burgundy burnt color it's giving, and I never got a wig like this that was this color in this style, so I'm really excited to install this. So yeah. All right, so I already braided my hair down, slicked my edges back. And this could be tea right here, but I look crazy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue down the wig, but I wanted to let you guys know I sprayed this airbrush leg makeup. This is literally my complexion. I don't spray too much on the lace. I spray this on the lace so it can blend in a little more. So we're gonna get to gluing down the wig. Okay, so I have two glues I could use. I have boho that I always use, and I have the Stay Adhesive. The only thing about this is it dries too quickly, and there's always white spots. Like, this could go wrong. So I don't really got the time, because to be honest, y'all, I got a date later. So I don't need my hair tripping out as far as the glue. So we're gonna do the boho glue. I really want to do the perimeter. I didn't do the ball cap method because I just don't have time to do it. But I would, to protect my edges, but it's all good. It's whatever you prefer. Alright, we're gonna lay the wig down. Just gonna let it lay naturally. Gonna let it do its thing. I do go over with and kind of layer it down. You know what I'm saying? And now tie it down. We're gonna let this stay for 10 minutes, about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna style the wig. I'm going to comb the hair out. I'm gonna do my edges. What time is it? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Okay, we're still on good timing. Hopefully I can get done in 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna move the hair all out the way so I can do my sideburns. Ooh, this hair, honey. I absolutely love this color. Okay, so now cut them. All right. So now I'm gonna use Gorilla Snot. The brush. I like to put it on the brush and then comb it in that way. Yep. brush that out. I can never make these the same. They're always different. So these are the sideburns. I'm gonna tack them down. Okay, so while I'm waiting on that to dry, I'm about to start wetting the hair. So we're gonna do section by section. I'm gonna use some gel on the hair. Next, okay, now I'm about to fix my parting. because okay. Part it and pull it so that my part isn't so thin. Okay, I'm gonna let this air dry for a little bit and then I'm gonna probably dry it up to make it go faster and style it a little bit. So I'll come back in a minute. I'll come back in like an hour or two. All right, y'all, this is the final product. I had to blow dry it and kind of like, you know, make it bigger. This is really cute. I really love this hair. I'm gonna tweak it some more a little later. I kind of cut a little bit of it to like fix my face a little more, but this is what it's giving, y'all. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification button so you know when I post a new video, and I'll see you guys later.
Bitch, I'm on my grind, money on my mind. Don't be spinning game if you really wasting time.